this first demo, you'll see that I'm using an HVAC pipe, vent pipe that you could find at any home improvement store. As I spray the electronic sprayer across the top of the vent pipe, the first thing you'll see is a really nice even coating of spray applied to the top of the vent pipe. As I flip the pipe around, you'll see that some of the droplets have found their way to even give a nice coating on the bottom side of that. That's because the vent pipe is negatively charged naturally and by the way I'm holding it. And thirdly, you'll see that's because the particles don't want to hang out in the air. They literally will come back into the vent pipe and start to coat the inside of the pipe. In this video, I'm actually turning off the electrostatic sprayer and having it spray without the electrostatic charge. As I do this the same way I did the last demo, you'll notice that I get a pretty nice coating of spray across the top of the vent pipe, but underneath the pipe and inside the vent pipe, I don't get any spray at all, clearly demonstrating that there's a benefit to using electrostatic sprayers.